Venture 16 kilometers from Bao Loc City Center into the embrace of a wild and majestic primeval forest to witness the stunning Dambri Waterfall. This powerful cascade plunges over 60 meters high and spans 30 meters wide, earning its place as one of Vietnam's highest waterfalls. Locally, it might be called the seven-story waterfall, but its most resonant name is Damb'ri, meaning waiting. According to legend, a young woman, whose lover vanished after they often met by the falls, wept endlessly. Her tears gathered and flowed, creating the magnificent waterfall that stands today as a symbol of her enduring wait. Don't miss the unforgettable experience of Dambri Waterfall.